Hello good people, another unboxing tools from China. In this series of unboxing and simple review, I am showing that you can buy many things from China much cheaper, as well not losing the quality. If you know from where buy and what kind of brand buy from China, so I am showing my experience in order to you do not make mistake buying garbage from China and disappointing from China tools, because of my first buyings from China not so good. Then I found out from which shop buy, what kind of things buy from China, what brand bands and so on. I'm buying from Taobao. It is Chinese website. I will put the link and prices for everything which I'm unboxing here. Two simple review, and in my next videos I will showing you what I'm unboxing here to show my final opinion about them. The box comes a little bit broken, but I think there is no something very fragile in this box, so it's not a big deal. Just a second. I will cut this type. That's it. This is dolls, again, a lot of dolls. You can see here. I'm buying dolls from China because it's very cheap there, very cheap. But the quality is very nice. You can see it is not soft wood. I don't know exact wood species of from which they made dolls, but it's quite hard wood. You can see all this group made. Indeed, it's very easily if when you putting the dolls in very thin tight hole, screwing like that, and the glue coming out, extra glue from this. I bought different sizes with different lengths, and quite a big pack, because it's much more easy when you have everything in reserve and do not need to wait for a month to receive them from China. As I mentioned, they are very cheap, so it's worth to buy big box in one buying. That's it. All those. Again those. Maybe they put some extra on them. No, I'm joking. Chinese people do not like gifting or discounting, mainly. Very few sellers doing discounts. Let's look on the inside. This is set of. This is cheap Chinese. So for this is, I think, diamond. They are pretending that it's like a diamond, but diamond coated. This is cheap Chinese tool. I think I paid for them $2-3. But the handle, mainly I bought it for handle good hardwood, and you are putting, I think, without this, inside of this, just tighten, and you have simple sanding option. If you need handle like this for $2, it's worth to buy this kit, because handle's really nice. This not feels quality, but I will use and we'll see in future it is quality or not. And again, this is also very cheap. I think $1 Very nice wooden handle, brass. And just this is for very thin knife for scribing, like this. I think this worth $1, and you can buy it. The construction, you can see, and extra this you can buy separately. I just take for testing. If I like it in use, I will buy extra tips, different size and configuration. That's it for this unboxing. Wait other videos, tools from China. Hope you like them. Have a nice day. Bye bye.